Badwam TV so Adom TV so bedwonjum media so dia o kansi won sempa sa kana no pensu ja me di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba kopɛ the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and my sen kunya ekono kwanten coordinator ma do sa kana no pensu e Ghana agudiem 8 jaw ka kire busuafo na fofo oyere oma wo fase fo nanom ukrum no mpranfo na se prof nya transe de nkomo no 8 sa ba Richoko ana medi wa dance de ma na no pay omode da se bi betian sa wo ne mam fire breakfast betian sa boy in the Ghanaian way amaniama etian tutu ye de ma kan Richoko dia eno show na spice we dey na bo amaniama go ahead enjoy Richoko na fe start with doing right in the Ghanaian way and yede emao sanso na game park limited phone paying for e de chachafo for question say about me sampa ene amanfo dia e di na san say twa mu twa no enya sem kuma modern da so do between san gym ogita tablet na say ogita eye laptop na say phone na obetumi akọ app store no so na fe download game park limited wo mo app no ho ntempaso no obetumi adale *946# *946# na fe all networks no obetumi enya omhyehyɛ so nkwan bi 029 na for wetimi asa de sana mesi etimi asa papa mu na fe wo de atwa bi na boa e ma niam etian kwede ma e ka cash ga kudi mula ho asem na ye de ho adanse etimi senja no fi sabre kodi opa bi etian sa to chacha game park limited more mula more power and afi game park limited regulated by the National Lottery Authority and afi so kwa no oni mu fi nwetwe fa onyim and afi so kwa no obetia and asa utwa chacha ya na ode adwene kakra etian sa to we mu ene hihye and afi so sponsors omo techira boa e ma ye dia wo kensi wo sempa sa kana no pensu ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the first step pensions here and women's a World Cup against Liverpool for one so adwumadi mutime we preseason friendly some damn start the 3-1 or seconds get it top film afientin to club issues mu e Ghana ha na senura ana kuma se krobia san ko bobuku no womo adia de kan dia tujade da say Dr. Prosper Netogum ana eyomo head coach obeboma niama etia ko batenura ana womo ede ceremony timetin tam so mo pan ho tamase kama now be assisted by two other people ahwema womo ede video analysis betia san be personal boa e mo mutwumadi omudi na etia san wie na wohwe omudwumadi omudi e nura no wie pe no msande omani timetin san chiri mo menhia fikasiem na otumfo se tutu ankasa de nkomo akra timetin san ja team no se omohwe se ombetia kwakomanim na Dr. Prosper Netogum Wabwa emakoroko umetia je Laurels ewa Africa and afi Ghana memha
Meka je so no afa players no obo na anye ya na yi na di you are so no afa players no obo na anye ya na o ka trawo nye no yi wadi fai so no otetu mu ye no mo bo a se mfie aduo no kra no ote ho no obo
But this has never team no
Nam kaja kwesi sa odi oni baabi akotim no me no di anchu obehwe se de be that's no kacho no na kwesi afia sa kwesi team no odi oni baabi ako baabi abafa jare na team no enye kaje me nana no se football kotoko ni nyina ye mo na mo babo amna ye kotoko no Yura se yankancha mu players no enana no mo se football kotoko team no mo na mo babo amatim no ayi ball no nyina ho dede nyina yo park no so mo na mo bo Yura se ball no ho dede ayi nyina ayi park no so eno ani mo ama na mo bo ene mo technical team and then more funny for technical team. This is a Kotoko supporters will be players in any technical team also the support to him. So you reckon supporters, you are some team, more yeah, players not any technical team, no, and I won't tell what you more than we. My catcher coach said, me pet yes winning ball on my training near the net to what discipline Nima Mananko. So you are saying your catcher coach says to win ball, then so no on your discipline 1 year or my training. You're also will pay you go out here discipline. On the name, yes, I don't come nimbo no bonanya discipline was so nimbra so akọ na meeting na ho so you was so no nimbo no was dey now you discipline and your problem team no na ho now you a good player discipline so do be quite bebre so you was so too for year so you a good player now you discipline who are there we are training I don't quite bebre Oba so oba there was a free wakumem. There was a muntian years. Oba so oba there was a free wakumem. But if you are coming now, Bonnie, over Costro come. So, Wakumam now, Bonnie, over Costro. So the whole be passage we say sika na e dia wontimi emfa nkosi ba bia wokoto.
There are some insurance. Se kotoko amabai so the yen say sika na ba dia na wontimi ene ni gba se na ba sa dia ba emfa nkosi ba bia.
The coach no say one train woman no more ball no man.
So coach there was so the catch. So what do players now titi na no mo
so money mo coach no mo technical team montie wo mo na mo fambo maso ndwemra boko.
So players no you are some so money mo coach and mo technical team mo fambo ni die montie wo sutie na do de weche mo bia montimi nya na bia ya kama.
Bibia wo se yesterday be ya team ne be ko so bia e be ye.
So you are see biara was 1 year na kwa 13 years man cost. 2 for 7 day.
Yeah, maybe we are from Minas and Kabomo. Na Kotoko no, a bit me as a peja.
You must see all your people now, one say, and Kabomo, not Kotoko no, best of fun to my the front.
Meaning someone in Abia will be a manager, be or Renault Sunia day. Emom, so what do Abba Kotoko Mudia? Kotoko no money here. And three Bibia.
You are saying, someone will be out the money to be already so. Now, so what do I to Mutia? Any of Protocol, money here, any here, and no, any hours in the Bibia.
Wow, allegiance will be hot, not and never had necessary.
Enti nese 2462 the second nothing and cancel den komo 18 saja fa ne kotoko ho ana enra after say unveiling no 18 to dwewie no omusan enante omo chacha mu ekopie na abubuwa no a wode san komo 18 saja Dr. Prosper Neteogum enra ne unveiling ceremony no see na niama esie course ho.
I am overly excited. I'm so overwhelmed. I think there is nothing in my life probably apart from the day I got married, that can be compared to this moment. And I am overly excited based on the fact that I've been chosen by His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Setutu II and the whole of Asanteman to lead or to technical affairs of this renowned and successful club on the continent and of our nation. My sincere gratitude to the King, to the whole of Asanteman, all stakeholders of Kumasi Asante Kotoko for having that confidence in me and giving me the opportunity to once again serve such an honorable club. This is a club that we don't support, but we worship.
The newest and the freshest air coach in town, and then now I'm pan Hontama Kumasi or Northern Como 18 Saja at the Afasena or Bubu Kunabwa, Emaniama Etian to 2 years at the mom. But the Entin Tomuso or Ghana Football Association for Kachia, war football mudie, Ghana was 16 regions, but football mudie, there were 10 regions per or air football mu, and now 10 regional football association air chairman. Womu 8 ecofa forms and now Oman Dossier, no nominate Ket Edward Simon of Kakude incumbent, or no any the certain president, so Meshemwa, Emma Fino, 18 Santos, Sans in the Jumedia Wedi, Idupan and sent them or the Shetian Sabanya Doma, RFS no, Ibitium Kabifu, Nabwa, Emom Jumedia, Omutine, Etia Koso.
Biaya womo ediom juma ehona sabre be pm na nese said em 42 just ene Ombe bi kwan e de atomu na fe opening of a year nominations form no for FA president, executive council any RFA chairman no eno mo bi kwan atumu na fe omo san kire se ene akwa adwuade notification of date any venue of a year GFA elective congress eno so ne beba so eti ya be pm awa ha na ya bae no Kamia say RFA chairman ni nyina abepie mu ewa hanom me kire omo what 10 regions ni nyina no tutu na abepie mu ewa hanom a wo mu nsema omo ka nyina e kire se omo pick form edema FA president a ono etiso Rocket Edwin Simon Okraku sebe ya papa no ebetimi atoa so na emu nkomo no eye bebrebe nti no ye mu mpinimpenfo ebeto omo ha no na fe yenhwe omo nsemba akumienu bi a omo edi agent ewo die nti a omo so abepie mu ewo fidie mu ha no
President Edwin Simon Okraku me gidi se adwuma waye no ose otoa so nti mbeta na chi ama all the RFA chairmen sir yeah what 10 regions ni na no ya beta na chi ya peke for ama no se ya ndo so ama no onko to adwuma pane so
muna mo peke form ma president
se sabi oni ya na ya adwuma na obi ya adwuma na se adwuma no oye ni ya wona uta na chi no so mu say koya oso oye bibia support no nti ask oba picking the form no o say yen itumi ka chane say form na picking no etawachi ejuma na o yen no twaso
as we dey more confidence na ba ma say na ne yeto abade di ankakete wini
oh me die me nyo bia me yanu makoko nini bibia me gina na me gina
enti Kobe the Scavenger na musin no akopie mo Ghana Football Association 20 first GFA for kache na on a lane for the Samobodu Eastern Regional Football Association president ana afen so kwa no osan double as the owner of Kotokurias omoba Premier League but omo relegation but ose ket toaso eno ne nkoma omo ediaba division 1 fon so kom ho sebe a omo so akensi ne sha se ne ma betua to yedi amom ene coach Boniface se e friend se Rene Costa ono so abepi mo Ghana ha obepoa division 1 side bako amaniama etia to yedi amom.
Main goal is to develop the football program of Svedru All Black, to increase the level of players and coaches, and to find new top players, and also to help the team to promote to the Premier League. It's also a dream of the president. It's about performance, about make the team better, help the coaches, especially tactically, but also to find young players who have the dream to play in Europe, and it's also my task to help them. Yeah, so we have a big project in Ghana and a big project in Europe, and yeah, together I hope to help the people and the players here. And also what I do, I'm also a Dutch Football Federation coach, so I also can give football courses. So it's also my goal to help to increase the football level generally, also with coaches. I have also some meetings with the federation and with other coaches and people. So yeah, my dream is to find new players who can help Svedru All Black and help them promote, but also help Ghana and the national teams, and also yeah, to bring them outside, because a couple of weeks ago I helped Mawoli Fats with my organization to Betis Sevilla. I already know him when he was 13. Bonsuba signed for Genk. I was with him.
Nti Rene Costa fi Netherlands and Obama All Blacks bobuko also no yama etia to ye ediamom omudwumedia omudim atokwesin and a chairman of All Blacks bobuko no makantam senyame adoma afi ombehweso meba Premier League akensinim Game Park Limited omo ne techri bo me design shason create jao senosma se Game Park Limited every day bia Adom FM so no omo edit draw makomakomiensa and timensa tentam so nti tem bia obetime twa Game Park Limited bia no we are sure say obetime di 9 AM 12 noon and after so 6 PM and edi omo hyehyɛ ne 8 tentam so utwa na star 946 hash all networks will be between say twa na boa emaniama etian kwede ma ka Game Park games a osemo mula more power and after so kwa Richuku so say enorishin day no tibo modern da unya Richuku a obobi eboa nkwala no so no ma bebitian san boa nti tem bia ba shop bia no ma Richuku enso emfra ni memisan say Ghana kuku ana obetimi dia boa start today no in a Ghanaian way we mu any sponsors attach the boa men no penso ye dia wo kensi won sempa ensa kan yetimi jao within the kwasi wala nyo wala sa gudi catch back open nam gina mu e of course evidence based presentation yetimi jao erade entene ni ma nyo kese nfi bi nda so ni emfa ko bi nda so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.